In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send multiple files on WhatsApp Web, whether you're sharing photos with family, sending documents to colleagues, or organizing a study group. Knowing the best way to transfer files efficiently can definitely make your life a lot easier. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open a chat with the person or group to whom you intend to send these files. To do this, simply launch WhatsApp Web in your preferred browser. Once it's open, you'll see a familiar interface similar to the mobile app. Go ahead and navigate to the conversation where you'd like to share your files. If it's a recent chat, you should find it on the left side of your screen. If it's not there, you can use the search bar above the chat list to quickly locate it. Clicking on the chat will open the conversation on the right. Now that you have the chat open, let's move on to the next step. Look for the plus sign, which is typically situated near the bottom of the chat window, either in the text input field or nearby. Clicking on this plus sign will reveal a few options for the type of file you can send. These might include photographs, documents, contact information, or even the option to send your current location if needed. For our purpose of sending multiple files, you'll want to select the file type that matches the kind of files you're sending. Click on this option and it will open a File Explorer window on your computer. Here you can navigate through your directories to find the files you wish to send. If the files you want to send are located in the same folder, hold down the Control key on Windows or the Command key on Mac while selecting each file. This allows you to select multiple files at once. Alternatively, WhatsApp Web also offers an intuitive drag and drop feature that you might find even more convenient. If you prefer this method, you can open your File Explorer independently and navigate to the folder containing the files. From there, simply click and drag the files you wish to send directly onto the chat window where the plus sign is. Whichever method you choose, once the files are selected or dragged, you will see a preview of them in the chat window. This is your chance to double check that everything looks good and ready to go. You can even add captions or messages to explain the files if you like. After ensuring everything is set, hit the send button to share the files with your chat recipients. And there you have it. You've successfully sent multiple files on WhatsApp Web. Practice this a few times and it'll soon become second nature. Feel free to explore other features on WhatsApp Web to further enhance your communication. Thanks for watching and happy sharing.